Forget the static and hello to instant voice chats, bringing back the fun of walkie-talkies with your friends, all through your smartphone. First, you'll need to choose a walkie-talkie app. There are several options available in your app store. Like Velo or HeyTel, search for Walkie-Talkie app and pick one that has good reviews and suits your needs. Once you've found one, tap to download and install it. After the app is installed, open it. Most walkie-talkie apps will require you to create a quick profile or log in with an existing account. This usually involves your name and perhaps a profile picture. It's simple and helps your friends identify you. Now comes the fun part, connecting with your friends within the app. You'll typically find an option to add contacts or create a group. You can usually add friends by their username, phone number, or sometimes by scanning a QR code if the app supports it. To talk, simply select your friend or group from your contact list. Then, just like a real walkie-talkie, press and hold the talk button, speak clearly, and release the button to listen. It's that easy to have real-time, one-on-one or group conversations. This is a fantastic way to stay connected with friends, coordinate plans on the go, or just share a laugh from afar. It's a playful nod to retro tech with all the convenience of modern digital communication. So go ahead, download an app, and start chatting.